Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be showing you what I got from Dollar Tree. So this is a mini haul. With that being said, let's get started. I went to Dollar Tree and I found these cool little cute things that I wanted to try, swatch them out for you and let you know how it feels, what I think of them, and if you guys want to purchase them afterwards, and if you have the means, your time, whatever, you do you. So I'm going to give you guys my opinion right now. I got 5 things at Dollar Tree. First, I found this Le Mercier matte finish setting spray. I think that's what it's called. I keep on butchering the name. I'm sorry. Matte finish setting spray formulated with sheep butter and argan oil, and it states face. The packaging is cute, and in the back it says the same thing and then how to use the setting spray. I also got this hydrating lipstick infused with rose oil, and it's in the shade Spiced Almond. It looks pretty. And then I found this cool black lipstick by LA Colors, and it states smooth, creamy, full coverage stick in the shade Stark. Then I found this cool nail polish. It's Wicked Nails nail polish, easy application and lasting color, high shine in color. Look at that skull. And then Under a Magic Spell, Beauty Intuition Face Powder for a flattering glow face powder. Beauty Intuition, and it's a skull. I don't know if you guys can see it. Now let's go ahead and try them on. I'm gonna start off with the Wicked Nails. I do have nail polish on, as you guys can see, but I'm gonna put it on top of one of my nails. I tried it on my nail with nail polish, so now I'm gonna do it on a bare one. It doesn't have that strong smell of nail polish. On this one, on top of nail polish, it came out like a dark burgundy red, and then this one, of course, it looks red. On the bottle, it looks a little bit kind of like pink, but it's more darker on the nail than it is on the bottle. Now I'm going to try the matte finish setting spray. Shake the bottle. Sprays a lot though. I'm going to try this lipstick. Let's try the black lipstick. This lipstick is very pretty. It applies very well. I do have to say it has like this kind of like scent, kind of like plasticky. Now I'm gonna try this one. I do like it as like a little bit of glitter all over the face. This is really cute, and especially like highlighter. Look at that. Final rating, 5 out of 5, 2.5 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this little mini haul slash try on. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave them down below. And again, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.